Hi guys, my name is Amy Aganya. I'm with Next Home Neighbors in Tyler, Texas. I'm really excited to show you around this home in a neighborhood called Bedford Farms. It's on one level and it's on 1 acre. Let's go check it out. In addition to this home having 4 bedrooms and a beautiful primary suite, the open concept plus the breathtaking kitchen, this home also has a great home office, which is one of the top 3 things that people ask me when they're looking for a home. Okay, I have to tell y'all a little bit of a secret. I am actually a horrible cook. However, I think if I had this kitchen, I might learn to figure it out. Let's look at it. Fabulous range. This is kind of funny. I know I'm in the shower fully dressed, but I wanted to show you guys that it actually has a dual purpose. Someone can be taking a bath while someone's taking a shower. Or if you need complete privacy, you hop in the bath and close the glass door and you have this beautiful wet room for this house.